It's what does it say? I can't even read it. I don't know. I don't read it too much. And you can see it doesn't really have a lot of marbling. A little bit. It's got these big chunks of fat on the side. Now, what I look for is a lot of marbling. This has virtually none. This is a lot of big chunks of fat, which is going to sear. So I like them on the edges, which makes it very delicious. But this is going to be, you know, and the inside it's not going to be good. So we're going to measure this. This is probably not the most sanitary way to do it, but we're going to call it that. And let's take a peek at what it says here. Right now we're going to go ahead and season it. It's been sitting out for a little bit. It's not quite room temperature yet, but what I do is I go from coarsest to finest. So the coarsest is going to be this ground pepper. So I'm going to grind it. This is a rough process, so you want to put a little bit more than you think you should because a lot of it's going to fall off. So let's go ahead with the ground pepper. Also that Worcestershire sauce is going to absorb that and make it kind of like a paste. Next is the kosher salt. Like I say, it's hard to oversalt, especially if you use this crummy shaker. That's enough. Now we're going to use the garlic powder. Just a little bit. Alright, now we're going to use the Italian seasoning. You don't have to do this. I don't know why I do it. I tried it and I think I like it. So, alright, that's great. Now we're going to go ahead and just flip this over. Okay, secondly, we're going to discuss the how to heat it. I use this hardwood lump charcoal. This is a 30-pound bag. I've used different types. They're all about the same. The most important thing that I like is the size of the chunks. In order to cook this, you have to cover the steak, and it's hard to cover it with big chunks. It's nice to have little ones that you can roll on top of it. So what I've done is actually I've used this whole entire bag, and I've sorted out the chunks, and I've used all the small chunks. So now I've got left these big, huge chunks that I'm going to have to just break up